Hello everybody, welcome to Matt's Cookhouse, where I share easy to cook recipes. This week I'll be sharing the recipe for the air fried garlic mushrooms that are quick and easy to make. To begin, take 250 grams of button mushrooms, place the mushrooms in a large bowl, add in 1.5 tablespoons olive oil and mix well. Next, add in 2 tablespoons minced garlic, 2 teaspoons Worcestershire sauce, half a teaspoon salt, and about half a teaspoon crushed peppercorns. Mix well. In the meantime, preheat the air fryer at 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 5 minutes. Grease the air fryer grill well with oil so that the mushrooms don't stick. Add in the mushrooms. Cook at 180 degrees Celsius for 10 to 12 minutes or until done. Shake them once midway so that the mushrooms cook evenly. Transfer to a serving dish. Squeeze the juice of 1 lemon on top. The air fried garlic mushrooms are ready to serve. For more such recipes, follow me at Matt's Cookhouse and be sure to like, share and subscribe.